Hello Artsy friends! This is Joycee, the creator behind Artsy Joycee. Come and join me in another Cricut project. In today's video, I will be personalizing a tumbler for Rach. The font that I will be using in this project is called the Blacklight, and this font is available in thefont.com, and I will place its link on the description box below. The design I have in mind for this project is a reversed offset design. In the Edit tab, let's select Offset, and we will be selecting the offset distance to match our design accordingly. After that, let's select both of our design, and under the Actions tab, let's select Slice. I will be deleting the word range inside, and we will be retaining the border design, thus the reverse offset design. Then, to finalize our design, let's resize it accordingly and let's make it! And now, let me present our finished project. If you like more Cricut tutorials, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!